Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Python's ideally window. So first of all, let's have a look at the objectives. So today we are going to first get an introduction of Python ideally window. Then we are going to type up our first program on Python. So for now let's get an introduction to Python ideally. So when you open Python, first GUI that appears in front of you is Python ideally GUI. Okay, so you must be knowing this is a Python's open icon on which when you click, the Python script appears. So now the question which stands is, what is ideally? So ideally is a Python shell. Now what is a shell? A shell is a way of interacting with the program by typing in text. This lets you interact with Python in this case. Okay, now let's see how an ideally window looks like. So this is how an ideally window looks like. So this is ideally's GUI basically. Now one more thing that I wanted to tell you guys was, you see this in this figure is a Python prompt. A prompt is what a program displays when it is waiting for you to type something. Okay, the greater program prompt tells you that Python is ready for you to start typing in Python instructions. We will talk about instructions forward. So okay, so this was Python prompt. Now let's start up the. So friends, now has come the historic moment. We are going to write up our first Python program. So I am going to give you a simple example. Don't think about the commands right now, just look at it, and if you want it, then you can type it up in your PCs so that you can learn more about it. So let's start. So while I print it, like, let's type hello, and now see, it's the answer. Now you must be thinking, what are the different colors that we can see in Python? So you see here is print in purple color, hello is in green color, the commanded yellow, and the answer is in blue. So this is the one of the ways why Python is best right now. So these colors help you to understand what are you typing. So now you see, if I am going to type print, and instead of print I type prompt, so it's in black color. And let's make another mistake. Let's say we don't put the exclamatory marks and brackets, and now when you press enter, you see the error is in red color. So we will talk more about errors and all this stuff in the coming videos.